This will be our AutoCAD 2020 first video. In this video we will be learning the user interface. At the right side here is the notification area. Second is Connect. In Connect you can sign into your Autodesk account, and there you can claim the benefit they provide. In the middle here are the recently open documents that you have already opened and worked on. At the left here it's showing templates. You can start from a template, you can choose a template, or you can just start your drawing from scratches. Let's click Start Drawing. When you press Start Drawing, so this page will appear. Here you see different of commands and menus. In this we start from this application menu. When you go to application menu, here are different of commands: new, open, save, save as. Without clicking on any command, just roll your cursor over it and it will show other options it's contained. Here at the top, when you are forgetting any command on the AutoCAD, so you can search here for that command and find it. For example, we are saying fillet. In fillet, so they are giving us different option because there are different tasks related to fillet. So this one will be for AutoCAD 2D. When you roll your cursor over it, stop your cursor over it, so it will give you the instruction. The second here is this will be the 3D fillet. So here when you look at this, it's written where this command exists. It shows tab, home, modify, and chamfer and fillet top. Okay, we come here to the user interface. We see in ribbon home. From home we go to modify panel. From modify panel we go to chamfer and drop down fillet. So here we click, it shows different options. So when you hold your mouse on any command, it will show you more information about that. So here are in this ribbon we have different menus, and each menus has its own panels. The ribbon could be reorganized from down here, workspace. When you click here, it will show many options. So we calling it 3D modeling. Here you see in the ribbon everything is changed according to the usage of this end. So let's switch it back to, for example, 3D basic. This is another type of ribbon, so completely different than before. This menu is called Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can add or subtract some buttons as per your desire. Click the drop down menu. Here the tick means it's already selected. If you remove any tick, it will be deselected and remove from the Quick Access Toolbar. For example, we are removing Save As. So here we lost one button named Save As, like new, open, save, open from web and mobile, save to web and mobile, plot, undo or redo. This is called title bar. The document you are working on, or the sheet you are working on, that's called. This is called the AutoCAD help Here you can search a keyword or a phrase. You can sign in from here your account. This is Autodesk App Store and this is AutoCAD Community. This is also called Help. Like usual, this is Windows control button for the AutoCAD. Here are the control buttons for current sheet you are working on. This area is called the drawing window, and this is called the navigating queue. Through this you can navigate in 3D drawing, and this is called the navigating menu. Here you have some important commands of the navigation. By right clicking, it will open a context menu. It's depend on actually where you click. For example, I'm clicking here, it will open a different menu. Clicking here will open different. So as well in every place. Here in the corner it's called user coordinate icon, and here it's called the command line. For example, in command line I write line. When I write line, it's showing option line, line type, line weight, everything. What I need is, for example, line. So the line command is activated. I can draw a line. Down here we have the model and layout tabs that you can just click and select them. You can add any new layout from this button also. You can also bring your cursor, hold here, and you can navigate between. And down here is the status bar toggles. When it's green, it's on. When it's gray, it's off. So every command here has its own menu. For example, you right click on anyone, it will show its menu. So you can select through this. By subtracting or adding any command, here is the option. So you can select from anyone here to add or subtract. For example, you see it's adding or subtracting this. So this was the first lesson.